Micheal Akufo Gaddafi, I reply, Woba for some Mfum, a legend of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. On the comments, be a nanu ya concerning Kumasi Asante Kotoko, bad streak of results. Because about 4 games continuously, Kumasi Asante Kotoko winning a match, which him say, I see a book place no. Micheal Akufo Gaddafi, and also make my a legend, but we consider as a legend. And also, I reply in summer. Woba for some Mfum kai no wama reply na why revelation bi e wo ha me dey bro quick one but before that mamenye birthday we Emma Mr. Augustine Japan United States of America and also baba akosua adepa and that screen so mame wish no akosua adepa a happy birthday hey akosua no we dey abrochire straight away well I mean take the opportunity we na super 24 viewers are more across the world birthday ne dey say no me dey be hihim kakra baby a wo bia no obetimi e de aba ne ayama osa wo na wo di wabusuani ne di a we few seconds ne aye papa ne ko nti obetima fa number no 0247 10 7260 aye WhatsApp number you use for this particular birthday project na ye be ya mamu time in time out no 0247 10 7260 ofana WhatsApp here no am yehu say Super 24 TV birthday adena ye be ya mamu Akufo nsema o de to dwa no ne say I don't support beating the players but the players should rather up their game because Kotoko is not just a club but a religion. When you worship it wholeheartedly, it will also bless you. This was the words of His Royal Majesty Otumfuo said to the second when I first joined the club, and the rest is history. A proud porcupine warrior, which is Gaddafi. Gaddafi say in summer Otumfuo ka share no and Ayampa Gaddafi or Bob.